Hi, this is Brandon from Cointelli, and today we're going to learn how to file crypto taxes through ATX. Now you might notice we're using the 2020 version, and we're going to be using 2020 transactions, but it's going to work. The same process is going to work for ATX 2021 as well. So first thing we want to do when you're in your client's return is click on Add Forms. Next, in the search box, type in 8949 and click the first option, Sales and Dispositions, not adjustments. Open form. And then we are in the 8949 section. From here, let's click on Detail. And at the top of this window, click Import. When this menu pops, you want to click Browse, find your ATX 2020 CSV file, import. Next, you're going to use this top row in order to select the appropriate drop down. So description of property is description, date acquired, date sold. You get the idea. Believe it or not, I found that holding period is not one of the options. And then 8949 box. Proceeds, cost, and that's really all you need to do. Then actually we can uncheck this because we don't want to import that, and we can import. We imported 324 transactions. Great. So next up, just clean it up and let's delete this unnecessary row. And then here we have all of our transactions are imported. And you see how it breaks it down between short-term and long-term, and it all matches up quite nicely. So that's what, we didn't need to import the holding period because it calculates it automatically. So from here, let's just check our work. We have our short-term transactions here and our long-term. And then what you want to do is you just want to cross-check it with your original CSV file. So you can just, do a side-by-side comparison, right? And you can just check the totals for your long terms, right? For your long-term periods, and also the totals for your short-term periods. And then what you also want to check is just make sure that the information flows into your Schedule D properly, and then you should be good to go. Make sure you save, and that's it. That's how it's done. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.